Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You should begin now. Unlock the Samsung and wake the screen. Make sure battery is above 5% so nothing interrupts the process. Open Settings and go straight to Apps or Apps Management. If you can't find it, use the search bar at the top. Once you see the app list, tap the specific app you want to exclude. This first step isolates the target so you can control its battery behavior. Make sure you pick the exact app to avoid changing global settings. Once done with the app info, tap Battery or Battery Usage to reach power controls. Next, open Optimize Battery Usage, then change the drop-down from Default to All Apps so every app is visible. Scroll to your chosen app and toggle off optimization to prevent the system from restricting background activity. If a confirmation appears, accept it. This allows the app to run reliably in background. Make sure to repeat for other critical apps so notifications and background tasks aren't silently blocked. After toggling off optimization, verify the app runs by triggering a notification or waiting for a background sync. This confirms the change took effect. If the app reappears as optimized later, toggle it off again and reboot the phone to solidify system changes. As a troubleshooting tip, go to Settings, right arrow Battery, right arrow More or three-dot menu, right arrow Optimize Battery Usage, and reset the list, then reapply exclusions. That often fixes stubborn reoptimization without factory resets. This wraps up the process and keeps critical apps active.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.